It is finally that time of year again where I have my annual holiday giveaway. And I am so excited for this year's giveaway because I have some pretty amazing prizes this year. But as always, before we go into the prizes, I'm just gonna quickly run through all of the rules and how to enter. So rule number 1, the giveaway will be open from November 24th, which is today, until December 20th. So you will not get your prizes before Christmas, but you will definitely get them before New Year's. Then second of all, if you are under the age of 18, you have to ask for your parents' permission before you enter the contest, since I will have to get your address if you win, and I don't want them to be freaked out and be like, who did you give your address to? And also, this giveaway is international, so no matter where you live in the world, you can enter. And now let's move on so we can get into how to enter. All you gotta do to enter this giveaway is to be subscribed to my YouTube channel, which is MakeupByNadja, which is this channel that you are on right now. You also have to follow me on my Instagram account, which is sfxbynadja, and I will put the link to my Instagram down below, so you can just click there and come to my page. And after that, all you gotta do is to come back to this video and leave a comment down here, letting me know what you are most grateful and excited for this holiday season. And you can enter as many times as you want. The more comments you leave, the higher are the chances for you to be picked as the winner, since I'll just pick a random comment when the giveaway is over. But do not just copy and paste the same comment all the time. Try to switch them up. I mean, you can be grateful and excited for a lot of things during the holidays. Before we get into the prizes, I just want to say that no, this is not a sponsored video. I have purchased everything with my own money, and none of the brands that I'm mentioning here have like sponsored me in any way. These are just my makeup faves that I've been loving throughout the year. And as always, I like to give away my favorites or some of my favorites for the holidays. So if you have been following me for a while, especially this past year, you know that I am obsessed with this new makeup line or makeup brand called Kaya from Bianca Ingrosso. I have been talking about her a lot on my channel. I've been doing a lot of reviews of her products, and yeah, they are pretty amazing. So the first prize in this giveaway is that you will be getting her latest eyeshadow palette, which is called Golden Bronze. And these shades are so cute, like I am obsessed with them. I have both of her palettes, I love them equally, but lately I've been, especially during the fall time and winter time, I've been going for this one more. So you will be getting this little eyeshadow palette. Then you will also be getting one of my favorite mascaras, which is Vans Vava Volume, also from Kaya. So you will be getting that one as well to spice up your holiday makeup. Then you will be getting 2 lip liners, and this one is in the shade Colorado and this one is in the shade Bryce. And these are my top favorite shades to use because they are very natural. One is a little bit lighter, one is darker, but they are amazing and I love them so much. And then of course, to go with the lip liners, you will be getting 2 lipsticks. One in the shade Honey Elixir and one in the shade Fling Kiss. And yeah, I'm obsessed with these shades as well, especially lately when it's been getting darker and colder. You know, winter has arrived. So you will be getting these babes as well. Then you know, I love to spice up my makeup a little extra with some really good falsies. And so you'll be getting this pair, which is like a more dramatic set of eyelashes, which are the Wispies. Super cute. And you will also be getting these more natural lashes from their professional line. So you'll be getting these. Then I'm obsessed with candles, especially scented candles during the fall time and winter time. Actually, I burn scented candles like all year round, but especially during fall time and winter time and around the holidays, I love to spice up my house with some extra holiday scents. So the first candle you will be getting is this one from Yankee Candle, and I actually chose 3 in the smaller size. I think they're called votives, but that's because I know that everybody doesn't like the same scents as I do, so you get a little try before you can buy the full size if you like them. But these would burn for a good amount of hours. So anyways, you will get this one in Winter Wonder. I love this one. You will also be getting this one, really cute color on this candle actually. It's like a burgundy red. But you will be getting this one in Glittery Star from Yankee Candle as well. And this one smells delicious too. Kind of like cranberries, I think. And then you will also be getting this one from MakeupByNadja, which is the Icy Blue Spruce. And during the holidays, I love when I found like good candle that smells exactly like a Christmas tree. And this one smells exactly like a pine forest. Like, it's so good. You will also be getting this candle, which is a little bigger one, and it comes in this glass container. I actually burn one there right now, and I love this scent. This one is called Merry Christmas from Country Candle, and it smells exactly like Christmas. It smells like Christmas spices. It's so good. I love it. And now, lastly, the last thing you will be getting is my favorite holiday candy lately. I really love chocolate and I really love my gingerbread, especially during Christmas season. So, when I found out that my favorite chocolate brand came out with a chocolate with like crumbs and pieces of gingerbread in it, I had to try it, and it was like the best thing ever. And as you can tell, this chocolate bar is like the biggest I could find. It's super big, so it's like bigger than my head. But anyways, you will be getting this chocolate bar as well. And those were all the prizes for this year's holiday giveaway. And I am so excited for you to start enter and to give all these prizes to one of you guys. But anyways, let the comments start rolling. Let me know what you are the most grateful and excited about for this year's holiday season. So yeah, I'll talk to you guys in one of my next videos. Bye!